Okay, so today I will be showing you how to make custom assets for Dungeondraft. Now, try to keep up, because quite frankly, I recorded this like 5 times already, so okay, so the first part is quite easy, actually. Just draw something. I can't really tell you how to draw something, because I suck at it as well. Just like probably half of you, no offense. But try to make something. You can even just grab some pictures or something. I'm just going to draw, okay, that's maybe too extreme. I'm going to draw a nice little bush, a happy little bush, maybe just even a tree. Okay, this just doesn't look anything like a tree. Like so. Right, so yeah, it sucks, I know, but what you're gonna do about it? Okay, next I'm going to color this in. And as you can see, I don't really mind the edges because this is just a tutorial. Normally I would have been a bit more careful. Alright, so now I'm going to make a slice out of this and export it. Alright, so here is my Dungeondraft folder. Right now we have these two trees which I already made. We have our user folder and our assets. My assets are stored right here, and these are the packs that you use to install them. But how do they work? Well, quite easy. You start off Dungeondraft and you go to assets. Right here is your asset folder. If you didn't set it, it's just in the default folder. Right here below are the packs that you have installed, and you can enable and disable them using the checkbox. Alright, so I'm making assets, so I go to menu, package, custom assets, and here is a step-by-step guide and an example template, and right here the base folder is where your assets are, which is, for my case, in user folder test. I can name the asset pack, give it a version, and say who the author is. But I don't want to do that right now because I haven't packed it yet. So I go to my pack and I just use the structure from the examples pack. So you have two files right here. You have the preview and you have the pack. The pack contains all the info about your pack, and the preview is just a little icon. In data you have the tags file and all the information for the walls and tile sets. In textures, that's where your objects and textures are. You have lights, materials, objects, paths, portals, terrain, tile set and walls. I'm using objects, so I go to my folder and I copy all of these and paste them right here. Now what's next? I go to Dungeondraft, go to menu, package, custom assets, and I locate the folder, which is test. I select it and I give it a name, test assets, version 1, and Nexus as author. Now I package this and it has been moved to this location. So if I move there, go to assets, right now you can see it made a file called test assets Dungeondraft pack. This is what you can share on cartography assets.com or via Discord or whatever. This is just a simple package with everything in it. So there's no need for file naming or such, which you have to do for Wonderdraft. You place this in your assets folder. Mine is this one. You just drop it in here and everything is set. Okay, so now, and here we are with test assets 2. I can accept and check it, and it has been changed. I'll make a new map, go to objects, object tool, and go all the way down. And let's see, here we are with our trees. That's everything you have to do. It's really easy and it doesn't take a lot of time.